Guys, you probably saw Birdhouse Part 1, and that's why you're watching this. If you haven't, basically, we made a birdhouse. It looks beautiful. It's just a little kit that we found.
It's kind of crooked,
but we don't care. And we're gonna decorate it. So for the top, yeah, well done. I'm doing the top, and she's gonna do the bottom. And I had this idea. Well, I'm gonna paint this top spot and a part like the sky, and she's gonna do that like the ground, and we're gonna do a bunch of flowers on the side. So the food didn't come through. It might be over there. Why didn't you go check? Okay. Check. You can stand up. Oh my god. So I'm taking this blue Sharpie right now and just kind of marking out where I want my clouds to be.
Amy, can I sit here?
Basically, this looks like a great funeral for a bird. I know. I paint it black and gray.
Sorry.
This is supposed to be the drawing place.
Well, right now we kind of need to be next week at it. So now that I have my things all mapped out, I'm going to take my favorite brush. So nice and big.
Why is this on the edge
And I'm going to paint it blue. And then Macy's doing the ground. We'll show that to you guys in a minute.
I'm not. Well,
Here
Ian
it is.
put those glasses there.
Wait, are there spots for flowers?
What?
Are there spots for chairs just let it dry?
We're going to do the flowers on these sides.
Okay, good. Like vines?
Yeah, kind of. Flower vines. Guys, look how mean Shay was. She called this the funeral for birds. There's a flower on the side. I mean, I think this would look very beautiful.
So sad. The black
There's zebra on the side.
Can I see?
Let's look at it like this. Does that look sad to you? You know what?
Yeah, it does.
Listen, like the video if you like the birdhouse. Comment if you don't like the birdhouse. Do not give this video a thumbs down. I will thank you.
And by the way, we are doing a no mean comment policy.
You mean comment, you're gonna get, guess what? Reported.
Nobody comments, so.
Shut up. But you know what? You guys can dislike if you want. I mean, that's your own human opinion.
Yeah.
We can't stop you from disliking it. But any mean comments, you won't be seeing your account for a while. Watch one of my brothers go and make a really mean comment. Because they all have YouTube accounts. Because I'm a child of 6. Sometimes
I'm one of the childs.
children, you mean?
Children.
We have a lot of brothers. And sometimes they like to be rude.
Not me. Well, sometimes. But who cares? Not talking about that.
Background noise credit to Elizabeth.
Yeah, Elizabeth, stop talking. We're filming.
Too late. I talked.
If only Bear was
Should I-
here, then we
should
could
I?
do the original noises.
Oh yeah, oh my gosh. So,
Watch our first video and you'll understand.
you keep saying it. Actually, we had to delete the one where he actually made the noises because Shay kept stopping the video.
Oh, yeah, Shay.
How
many times
are you gonna say that?
We're gonna hold that against you.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are
mean.
mean.
She's a crazy.
Let's go back into the village and buy a fish.
Yeah, guys, so we're trying to buy a fish and our parents were like,
Annie?
They had enough money, so.
they had enough money, they were just afraid their parents were gonna make them go return Elvis. He was gonna be our mascot, guys, our mascot.
But instead,
We
Jay's
might
our
still
mascot.
buy a fish, don't we?
We have a dog, which is our mascot right now.
Yeah.
So.
And you guys love Bear. What if we made Bear's own channel?
Guys,
You-
comment down to Bear. Comment down to Bear.
What? Whatever.
Shout out to Bear, guys. Even though he's not down here right now.
Go get him.
Yeah, go get him. Shay, go get him, because me and Macy are painting.
You guys.
Elizabeth, go get him.
Me.
No, I'm kind of painting.
I'm painting too.
Okay, Missy,
You
you
guys
go run and
won.
get him.
Here, I have to go get him, and then I have to put
Me
it
and
back.
Shay are busy with fish details.
He's going to be a beta fish, a purple or blue beta fish, and he's gonna be named Elvis.
I picked the name. If we get two, we're gonna name it one Elvis and one Presley.
Yeah.
Shout out to Elvis if we get him.
Hey, you guys, if you want the fish to be your mascot,
Comment down
and
below.
comment
And subscribe.
and tell everybody to like and comment too, so we can get a fish.
What?
And then our parents will still see us.
Shout out to Barry. He can't sit down, you guys, because there's like paint all over our
And the lamb likes
tarps and things.
she can get a puppy.
Shay, no one heard that.
Okay, go ahead. Say bye, guys. Bye. They love you, Bear.
Very cute.
Bear, they love you. You're famous.
And he's almost asleep. Okay. Alright. I'm in their first DIY video. Actually, I'm not. I've been in a lot of them, actually. So, yeah.
A lot of them we have not posted.
Oh, and he's asleep now.
Oh, never mind.
He's awake.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, you to me. Shout out to me. Wait, take her back down. I need to talk. Make sure you take her back down. Or not.
Oh, wait, did you hear that? That was what he made. What sound he made?
That yawns.
Hit yawn.
Yawns so
Did you hear?
Yeah.
It's so funny when they stirring.
Oh, you
Bear comes back down on his own.
He does that a lot. He might come back down. That is our 17-week puppy right there.
Okay, Macy, I just have to spin this really quickly.
I love that song.
Yeah, let's go get music. We need music, guys.
This is such a
You can't, when I
plain,
edit it, I
boring
can put music in it, but it's for the whole thing.
No, I mean in the background right now. I need to be able to sing. You have a beautiful voice, guys. I got in select choir.
Yeah, because you signed up.
No,
It's on our face.
ensemble.
Oh, yeah.
Kind
So
of.
did I.
It's kind of a habit.
I was
guys.
with you.
But a lot of people
Don't
weren't.
judge you.
I was the only fourth grader.
That's because you're really good.
Not really. I don't get it. I hated our song.
Oh, all of our songs were terrible. She was just a brat.
Who?
Miss Winehouse.
I know. Oh, if Miss Winehouse is watching, you probably not, but, sorry. Your songs kind of stink.
Yeah, we didn't like it.
Wait, Miss Winehouse?
When You're Smiling. Who has that song? Apparently Miss Winehouse.
And none of our group could remember our song except me.
Wait, Miss Winehouse is a YouTuber?
Guys, she's gonna be back next year.
Good thing I don't have to deal with her.
She doesn't watch YouTube probably, so.
Wait,
She used to play YouTube for us, but she would put on the most stupidest videos ever. I swear, I liked Miss Whistler's videos better.
Wait,
We
what
watched
she would,
Stomp one
what
time.
she put on?
Stomp.
No,
It was
guys,
just
you
boom.
know what song we had to sing? Chicken soup and rice.
Chicken soup with rice, yeah.
Want to know what our theme was for our spring concert?
Feast.
Feast? Oh,
Food.
I thought it was food.
Feast/food.
I mean, we sang "Be Our Guest." I mean, that was okay song. And then we sang
Be our guest? What?
No, guys, seriously.
Oh, I thought you said
Guys,
we are.
guys.
and then we sang "Let It Go," but she totally ruined it. She
The
changed.
best song in the concert was seriously "The Show Is Over."
Yeah.
That
That was.
It wasn't even food related. It went like this: "The show is over. The show is through. Time for the curtain to come down. Boo hoo hoo. The show is over. The show is through. But the show is done." That.
Oh,
That.
And we kept on re-singing that and re-singing that.
yeah, it was
re-singing
really
that.
boring. And there's jokes and stuff like that, but like no.
It was
one-
stupid jokes.
Yeah. Can you turn it?
Like the pig
Okay,
washing
one
its
second.
own. No, guys, pig washing its own clothes. That's a joke.
Hogwash is actually okay. Never mind.
Hog-
I got hogwash because hogwash also means that's ridiculous. Sorry, we're talking about school things.
I hate school. I'm so glad I'm going to a different school this year.
It's
Brown-
better.
I'm gonna be a Bronco.
You'll be like, this is the best school the first couple weeks, then you'll be like, this is the worst school.
The last few weeks.
Do you want me to paint
You were like
this?
so
or should I-
happy. You were like, yes,
Paint it inside.
I'm done. It's fun at first, and then they get serious with you. Like the first week is the best.
So wait, can I just show them the sky?
Yeah.
There's the sky, guys. It's so beautiful. Okay, now we are both gonna start painting the bottom. Okay. Yeah, I'll do the green. Okay. And do it like right away. There. Don't paint the sides yet. Like the going up the walls yet. Oh yeah, but we should probably get these here.
Yeah, you can get those. I'll get the other side. And then we're gonna paint the flowers next.
Yeah, but that might have to be in the next video, actually.
You know what? This is fine. Yeah, we can do this in all one video.
No, because it's a 10-minute limit and we're hitting it. We have to go. We will third.
No, actually, I found a way that we can publish and make they're over 10 minutes.
Don't forget to comment and subscribe.
Yeah, we're ending the video.